Okay, so this one is the third-party logistic integration. We only support JNT for Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, and Thailand. For Vietnam, they will use another shipping method. Okay, 3PL. And the next one is the estimated profit for Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Estimated profit, because here this account is only for the test for Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. We don't have real order, but here in our FAQ, we have the screenshot because our tech team, they have created some fake order to be the example. But here I don't have any fake order because I need to take some requests if I need to do that. So a bit complicated. So here I will show the screenshot directly. Estimated profit. Estimated profit, actually, we only support Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. With BigSeller, we automatically calculate the profit once this order has been placed, according to the commodity cost you have set for the merchant SKU in your BigSeller warehouse. And also, all the data, including maybe the commission fee, shipping fee, we just get this information from the seller center. Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, they will forward this data to us. What you need to do just to input the cost. Okay, here is a screenshot for the estimated profit. Here's for Shopee. You can view the data for order income, charge, service charge, shipping fee, commission fee, and then you will get the estimated profit here. So before you process your order, you will know that whether this order is in profit or loss. If here, this order is in negative or zero profit, when you are packing this new order, then with BigSeller will pop out an error message or like a reminder. This order is in negative and zero or maybe zero profit, whether you still want to process this order. Like with this reminder, you can intervene the order to avoid losses. Okay. Estimated profit, but need to pay attention the cost here. The cost information are from the merchant SKU. So you need to have the cost for your merchant SKU, then you can check the correct estimated profit here. Otherwise, the cost here will be zero. Here is for Shopee. You can view the data directly for new orders, in process orders. But for Lazada and TikTok, they have a bit difference. Because for the Lazada and TikTok, they will only give back our BigSeller when this give back the commission fee, only when this order has been completed. So for the commission fee here, we need to set another thing. For Lazada and TikTok, go for a setting, order setting. If you want to check the correct estimated profit for Lazada and TikTok, you need to go for here, order setting, estimated profit. Here, the setting, you need to set the commission fee, the rate here, because Lazada, TikTok will only calculate the commission fee when this order is completed. So you need to have an estimated commission rate. With BigSeller, will use this rate you have set to calculate maybe commission fee according to your setting. You can set this commission fee rate according to your experience before, your selling experience before here. Just an estimated range here for Lazada and TikTok. And after you have set, then you can view the data for Lazada and also for TikTok here. Okay. Difference for Shopee, Lazada, TikTok. Shopee, you don't need to set anything, just need to have the cost. But for Lazada, TikTok, you need to have the cost and also you need to set the commission rates, the estimated commission rates in this page. You to identify whether this order is in profit or loss. So if it's maybe zero profit or loss, you can have a check maybe to cancel this order. And also in the following time, you can check the order information, whether it's in the wrong place or maybe some other like fee, like the size or the weight is incorrect. So you need to pay more shipping fee to make you have a loss. Okay, here estimated profit. And the next one is the auto pack. Auto pack is the feature if you are trying to use our big seller to process order. Quite helpful feature, auto pack. Because previous time I have mentioned if you have an order in big seller, it will be first moved to new orders list. Here, new orders list. You need to manually pack it so as to move to in process order. But now we have a feature named auto pack. Means that for new order, you don't need to manually pack all the time. You can let big seller system to help you process your order, to process your new order to auto pack it. Means to automatically arrange shipment. By using this feature, you can avoid the cancellation of your order. Yeah, you can reduce the probability of the order cancellation. Because once this order, the shipment has been arranged, then if the buyer, they want to cancel this order, they need to initiate a request. And maybe some buyer, they will give up if they need to do much more to cancel this order. Okay, auto pack. This feature, auto pack. And before you enable this feature, you need to go for setting here to add it. You need to set the time, some conditions. Shipping method here is required. For the orders from this shipping method, one big seller helped me to auto pack this order. So even though in maybe vacation or special holiday from myself, I can use big seller system to let system help me to pack this order, then to reduce the probability of the cancellation of the order. Okay. And the shipping warehouse here, this one is not required. You can leave it empty. And also if you have two warehouse, you can choose it. Maybe you only want to auto pack the order from one specific order. Okay. And the pack time slot. Here you can choose the time period of the order. Maybe you want to pack it from 7 day and we If you have any question, can let me know. And here I noticed that we have a question, but it's in Indonesia because I don't know this language. Okay. If you have a question, you can let me know. But here my recommendation is the BigSeller app. You can try it because maybe some seller, they don't know BigSeller already have a mobile app. Yes, for this seller, we already, yeah, we have get started 7:30 p.m. And this training is in English. Sorry for that. Do you have any feature like sales forecast where we can get an idea how much stock we will need to send to Indonesia because we manufacture the goods in China? Actually, for this question, I think maybe you can try our purchase suggestion. Purchase suggestion here. Purchase here. Purchase suggestion. You can set the strategy here. Set restock strategy here. The forecast daily sales you can use if you think that maybe the sales data in for the last 3 days would be fitable for you to calculate the you have mentioned the sales forecast, so you can choose it, or maybe the last 7 days, 15, and also you can set the average daily sales for the past 30 days. Here are the settings. Yeah, I'm not sure whether this one can fit your need, but I think this one is what you need. Here, you can set the strategy here, then to calculate. Then with BigSeller will automatically create some purchase suggestion, whether you have some SKU need to purchase, and then you can check it and then to generate the purchase order directly. Yeah, purchase suggestion. You can have a check. And if you have any question, you can contact us in the Telegram chat. Purchase suggestion. So you will know that how many stock I need to prepare according to my daily sales data. So you can generate a purchase order, and also you can here export like this one. The purchase order will be synced to the draft, and then you can export this purchase order, can send this information to your supplier. Okay, you're welcome. Yeah, because the time's up and our training will be ended. And here we haven't finished all the data, all the details in here. Let me move to this one. If you have any question, if you are interested in the features in here for 16AA, market rule, offline retail, text and image translation, yeah, you can let me know. I can show you more detail. Actually, 16AA, currently we don't integrate all the feature. So here we can only sync the 16AA. Yeah, but our next version, our next plan is that you can create the 16AA purchase order in BigSeller and then submit this order directly. But now we can only create a 16AA purchase order in the marketplace, 16AA, and then sync it to BigSeller here to submit this order, this purchase order. And once this package has been received in the warehouse, then you can start do the purchase receiving for your purchase from your supplier in 16AA. And after the items received, then this inventory will be pushed back to your BigSeller warehouse. And once you have set the push inventory, the inventory will be pushed back to your online shop directly, will be synchronized. Okay, 16AA. And for the mark rules in here, because previous time in our orders list, we can add the mark. But we can only do it in manual. But now we have this feature mark rules. you can set some rule setting. When this order satisfy the condition, then our big seller will automatically add the mark, especially when you have a maybe have a click farming order, or maybe you have a specific SKU. When this SKU exceeds the quantity, you want to add a mark, so you can let the specific people to process this order. And after this order mark has been added, then you can go for orders. Here, new orders, use this filter to filter out the order. Here, check mark. Yeah, maybe you can use different type here for the mark. But before you set the mark rules, remember to set your own style mark. You can use the color to do the differentiation, maybe quick farming, maybe urgent to process, maybe specific SKU exceeds the quantity. You want to process them in priority, so you can automatically add the marks. Okay. Next one, offline retail order. Offline retail order, because we haven't integrated with POS system. So if you have a physical shop, you can use offline retail order to create the order and also use BigSeller to multi-manage these kinds of order. But remember, before you create the offline retail order, you need to set the offline selling price for your SKU. We will use the SKU in your BigSeller warehouse, merchant SKU, to create your offline retail order. You can add the selling price. Like here, if I purchase 1 to 3 pieces, I can enjoy the price in 15 here, 15 Malay currency. And if I purchase more, 4 to 6, so I can enjoy a lower price here. Actually, just like a discount price, like a wholesale price. And then after you have set the offline selling price, then you can start to create offline retail order. Here, choose the information, and also you can select the customer information or link to your BigSeller customer list. Yeah, so if you have maybe have a return customer, you can save your customer information into the here customer list. And then need to select the SKU. Here, the SKU, the price will be automatically calculated according to the quantity and also according to the setting in your offline selling price. Like this SKU, if I input in the order for 4, then the price will be automatically calculated into here 12. And also you can set some discounts. Yeah, maybe you don't get the charge. Or maybe you will do a discount when you receive the payment from the offline buyer. Okay, here you can set the discount as well, discount. And after that, you can save this order, and this order will be synchronized to a new orders listing for offline order. And then you can go for 3 dots, 1 click move to ship, because for offline order, you don't need to print shipment label, you don't need to ship the order. You can 1 click move to ship. So this order will skip in process, skip to pickup, and move to ship directly. Then the inventory will be automatically deducted. Okay, the last one is the text and image translation. Yeah, I have mentioned this feature is for the people they are doing the scrape product. Here, maybe they scrape the product from some Chinese marketplace. They want to translate the text, the image to another language. Like this product, I scraped from 1688 Chinese marketplace. So all the words, the sentences are in Chinese. I can go for here, add it, to do the translation, translate from Chinese, English, or to other language. And also for the image, we can translate as well. But remember for the translation here, because we BigSeller integrate with another translation company, Ali Translation. So here we need to pay extra. We need to pay the Bitcoin to finish the translation. And here, 3 image will need 1 Bitcoin. And for 2000 translate, and for 2000 characters, we need 1 Bitcoin. So how to get the Bitcoin? You can get the free Bitcoin every day. Go for here. If you are in the free version, you will have here, you will have 2 free Bitcoin every day. And if you are in paid version, you will have different quotas for the free Bitcoin. But need to remember the free Bitcoin, the quotas will be cleared at the end of the day. Like maybe today, 12 p.m. Yeah, these free Bitcoin will be cleared and another 2 free Bitcoin will be added in my BigSeller account. And if you want to have more Bitcoins to do the translation, you can go for here to purchase. And for now, you need to pay Philippines 60 pesos, RMB 8 RMB, Malay 5. And then you can get 100 Bitcoins. Okay, 100 Bitcoins. And for the translation, remember, we need 1 Bitcoin for 2,000 characters. 1 Bitcoin, 2,000 characters. And for 3 images, if we want to do the translation, we need to pay 1 Bitcoin. Okay, here is the translation. We can do the translation before we import this product to our shop. And also after this product has been imported and moved to the draft listing, here we can do the translation as well. Can go for edit, and also in the bulk edit page, we can do the translation as well. Before you publish this product, you can do the translation here, translate text, and the here image, and also can do it in bulk. But for the bulk translation, we only support the text here, text translation. For the image, we now don't support. We don't support do it in bulk. Okay, so here are all the topics, 9 features I want to share with all of you guys. Maybe some of you are just new BigSeller user. You will still have some question in order processing. Here, translation, the text. You still have some question for order processing and also for the inventory feature. So you can click into our YouTube channel. Malaysia, we have offline, online as well. But for Philippines, Singapore, we currently only have online training because we don't have office in Philippines and Singapore at the moment. But we have office in Indonesia, Thailand, and Malaysia. So we have online and offline topics today. If you have any question, you can chat us in WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, and also on Viber. Yes, this slide I can share with you, but here actually I don't have too much contents. Yeah, you can take a screenshot of this one. So you can check our playback in the YouTube channel as well. If you have any question, you can let us know. Yeah, I don't have too much information in here, the slides, but you can take a screenshot of these features in Q2, quarter 2, from this year, April to June. April to June. Yes. Any question, just contact me. And I'm the trainer tonight. I'm Tansy. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. And here I will send my WhatsApp number. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. Okay, so our training is ended. Thank you so much for attending. This is my WhatsApp. And also, if you have question on Viber, you can contact me as well. Viber. Yeah, mostly we will contact our Filipino seller on Viber. Okay, so our training has been ended. If you have any question, feel free to contact us. And also you can initiate the training to have the training for your team, for your partners together in our big seller here. Okay, the training is free. No worry about that. The training is free. Here, surveys, training requests. Okay, so that's all of our training. I'm your trainer, Tansy. Yeah, well, thank you for attending this training. See you next time. Goodbye. Thank you. Thanks for attending. Good night.